Hi, I'm Rich Free, CEO of the RG Group. For the last 40 years, I've helped manufacturers produce global, competitive, and profitable businesses. It's been a fun ride. Every day is different, and I have had a ball doing it. But today's manufacturing environment and challenges are unique. IoT, robotics, automation, machine vision systems, the technologies are amazing. The opportunities are unlimited, and they're game changers. But how do we keep up with that change? I have a solution. I'd like to personally invite you to see, feel, and touch the best of the best manufacturing technology services in person. Where? Right here in York, Pennsylvania. On September 12th, we are hosting a Manufacturing 4.0 Symposium. From collaborative to industrial to mobile, robotic technology will be on display, featuring Doosan, Fanuc, Mir. You will see the path forward to successfully deal with a shrinking labor pool and faster product development cycles. From market leaders like Parker and MOXA, see how connected technology is creating custom, mobile, and industrial networking opportunities for your business. Whatever your role might be, from the engineering to supply chain to maintenance, or from this all the way up to the C-suite, you owe it to yourself and your company to see the state-of-the-art technology and services available to meet the Manufacturing 4.0 challenges. Grab a glimpse into the future. Suggest your team spend a day of learning with the global leaders in motion and control, automation, and fluid handling. Please look me up and say hi. I can't wait to meet you. Don't miss our Manufacturing Symposium. Your business will benefit, I promise you. See you there.